We just bought a 6-pack of this prickly pear pale ale, and it looked freaking delicious in the store. So let's go ahead, give it a try, rate it 1 through 10, and see if it's good or just straight trash. So this is Prickly Pear Pale Ale by Lewis and Clark Brewing Co. out of Helena, Montana. And it's coming in at 5.2% alcohol by volume or 23 IBUs, if that means anything to anybody. And so apparently it was made by the prickly pear cactus, which is what Lewis and Clark discovered when they came to Montana. So there's your fun fact of the day. Let's pour this up, and I'll be back once this settles. So now that this is settled, I got a bone to pick with all of you. So a lot of you are complaining on how I pour my beer, and I'm going to put a small clip in here, but go watch the video of John Tafford, you know, the bar rescue guy, on how to pour a beer correctly, because I'm doing it the right way.
So they pour it really slow in the glass, and they serve the beer that way. But a bartender who's in a hurry, who really knows the proper way of pouring a beer, will pour that beer much faster and fill the glass that way. Which is better? You see, when you pour a glass incorrectly, this is what happens in the stomach. This beer was poured so easily, the gas is still in the beer. In your stomach, this is what happens. But when the beer is poured correctly and the gases are allowed to dissipate, look at what happens.
Now that we got that all settled, let's go ahead and give this beer a try, shall we? Cheers. Oh, whoa, that is really hoppy. That is not good at all. Did they even put prickly pear flavor in this? That is not good at all. It is super hoppy, way more than I would like, way too dark of a beer, and I'm probably going to give that a 3.5 out of 10. I think that this was kind of trash and not worth it to buy. I mean, some of you people who like those really hoppy beers, you'd probably rate this an 8 out of 10. But for me, it's going way low, and I did not like it whatsoever. So if you like what you're seeing, follow me on all social medias, and guess what? I'll catch you on another delicious video. Peace!